Looking for fun ways to celebrate Earth Day? Try planting a tree or scattering native wildflower seeds to promote clean air and the survival of indigenous wildlife. You can also host a clothing swap or clothing repair party to encourage your friends and yourself to recycle old garments rather than buy new ones. Volunteer to pick up litter in a local park or run a recycling drive for glass and plastic containers. For more long-term activities, try walking or biking instead of driving to reduce carbon emissions. Conserve water by using it wisely and installing water-saving systems. Save electricity by turning off lights when not in use. Switch to non-toxic cleaning products and reduce paper waste by unsubscribing from catalogs and opting for paperless billing. Carry reusable bags. Use a refillable water bottle and start composting food scraps. You can even consider planting a vegetable garden in your backyard for a sustainable Earth Day activity.